Welcome to the short seminar of subject zoology. Myself Mukesh, final year BSc, Government First Aid College, KR Nagara. Let us continue with the biological interaction topic, that is negative interaction. Negative interaction. Negative interaction is a type of interaction both the interacting species in one species is harmed. It means definitely one species will get harmed. Types of negative interaction. One is parasitism, another one is predation, and third one is competition. Now let us see about parasitism. Parasitism is a relationship between two organisms in which one species parasite benefits for a growth and reproduction and other species host is harmed directly or indirectly. It's called parasitism. It means in two organisms one species called parasite is benefited from the host for a growth and reproduction, and other species which called host is definitely harmed by indirectly or directly. It's called parasitism. A parasite means is an organism that obtains its nutrients from the host and rarely causes the death of its host. It's called parasites. For example, mosquito and cuscuta. Cuscuta is a parasite plant which grow on another plant. In this picture, you can see yellow color part is called cuscuta. Cuscuta can grow their roots in the other plant for the food. They can completely damage the xylem and phloem cells of the host plant. And this shows the relationship between the two organisms, and here the host is harmed and cuscuta will get benefited. Let us see another example is mosquito. It is a picture of mosquito, and mosquito bites for a person. Mosquito have sucking type of mouth part. Here it is the sucking type of mouth part of mosquito. Mosquito transmits several human diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and elephantiasis. When mosquito bites, it transmits several diseases like malaria and dengue. Besides sucking blood, they cause a painful, irritating bites. When they sucking blood, that time they cause painful, irritating bites. Mosquito got blood from the human, and human affected by the mosquito. Here, mosquito got blood from humans, but humans affected by the mosquito. So in the both the example like mosquito and cuscuta, the both the host are damaged and the parasites are benefited. Though this type of interactions is called parasitism. Now let us study about predation. What is predation? Predation is a relationship between two organisms in which one species called predator benefits for the growth and reproduction, and another other organism prey is harmed or killed. In these two organisms, one organism is predator and another organism is prey. The predator kills the prey immediately. It is an act of capturing, killing, and eating. So the predator kills the prey immediately. Example, carnivorous animals like tiger, lion that kills the prey like goat, cow, etc. You can see the picture here, cheetah hunting the deer. Here cheetah is a predator and a deer is a prey. Another example is insectivorous plants. Insects eating plants like pitcher plant, also called Nepenthes, and Drosera, etc. Insectivorous plants means insectivorous plants grown in a marshy area in N2 deficiency soil. It means N2 deficient soils only the insectivorous plants grows. They fulfill their requirements by, of nitrogen by killing and eating the insects. Let us see another video. In this video, we can see the predators like lion, tiger and cheetah and the prey like deer. They capturing the prey and kill immediately, and these type of interactions is called predation. Now let us see the difference between parasitism and predation. Left side column is parasitism and right side is predation. Parasitism. Host is large compared to parasite. In predation, prey is small compared to predator. Parasites are host specific. It means parasites have particular host. In predation, there is no particular host. Parasite small in size compared to host. Predators are large in size compared to prey. Parasite do not like it host immediately. Means parasite does not kill the host immediately. Predator kill the prey immediately. Example tapeworm, hookworm, etc. In predation, example lion, tiger, etc. Now let us see about competition. What is competition? Competition is the association of two or more species. Each species is adversely affected by the presence of other species in respect of food, shelter, space, light, etc. are in short supply. It means in this interaction both will get harmed. In competition is of two types: interspecific competition and intraspecific competition. Let us see the difference between two types. One is interspecific competition, another one is intraspecific competition. Growth and survival of one species is negatively affected either directly or indirectly. It's called interspecific competition. In intraspecific competition, that competition occur between the same species. Interspecific competition occur within different species. Generally, intraspecific competition is more intensive. You can see the picture here. Interspecific competition, lion and hyena both are competing for the food. In intraspecific, the same species of insects will compete for the food. At the end of the session, let's see the summary in diagrammatic way. Here species 2, in this species 1. In mutualism, the species 1 and 2 both are get benefited. In predation or parasitism, in species 1 and 2, one will benefited and another one will definitely harmed. See, species 1 will get harmed and species 2 is getting benefited. In competition, both are get affected. Species 2 also get affected, species 1 also get affected. In commensalism, species 1 is neither be harmed or neither be benefited. In species 2 is getting benefited. And this is the reference. Thank you.